Hey, you guys, what's going on? Roy Castillo here. Hope everything's well on that end. And what I'm going to be showing you on this video is how to make a general sale. And we're going to do that by either typing in the customer's phone number, or you can simply click on Quick Sale to start off the invoice. And right above, you're going to see all the transactions available to make. There's an activation, upgrade, repair, service, payment, trading. We're going to go ahead and click on the one right in the middle on general sale. Let's go ahead and select it. And give the item that you want to invoice as a general sale a description. I've described it as wireless speakers that I'm going to be selling for $89.99 plus tax. And I'm also going to type in the cost. This is going to be how much I bought it for. So say I got these for $59.99. I'm go ahead and type that in and select a category for this general sale. And you could literally invoice anything under general sale, whether you're also selling t-shirts, whether you're selling sodas, anything that could be miscellaneous. Go ahead and select the category, and you're going to go ahead and click Add to Cart right on the top right side of the screen. Once you've taken a look at the preview of your invoice with the description, the quantity, the discount, the tax, the price, and the total, if everything's looking sharp and good, you're going to want to go ahead and select Checkout on the top right. Now we're going to go ahead and charge the customer. It's going to be $100 cash, and we're going to hit complete on the top right, which you guys will now have the option to either print a thermal receipt or a 8.5 by 11 receipt for your customer, or what I'd recommend you guys to do is to invoice send the invoice via text message, where you can enroll this certain particular customer onto your texting campaigns, and later on let them know what different discounts they might be eligible for. And not only that, you'll be taking care of the planet for not wasting any paper. So you can also do that, or you can just email the invoice. And that would be the whole process, guys, of invoicing a general sale. So if you do have any questions on this matter, you can shoot us a call and a chat anytime, guys, and ask the question. Either myself or one of my colleagues are going to be more than happy to assist you and get you guys on the way. So you guys make it a great day, and we'll be in touch. Let's make it happen. Goodbye.